Today I'm sharing my kitchen cleaning and storage hacks. If you've ever wondered how to clean a messy kitchen or how to keep your kitchen tidy, then you're watching the right video, because I'm going to share some of the top tips that I use daily, sometimes weekly, on how to keep my kitchen nice and clean and organised. I'll also share some kitchen storage hacks which I use in my cupboards and drawers to help keep my kitchen organised. And I'm going to start with the job that we hate the most, which is cleaning the oven. Well, it's the job that I hate the most. You can do this overnight, and I highly recommend that you do this overnight when your oven's nice and cold, rather than during the day. As you can see, mine is quite grubby, and this oven cleaner that I'm using to clean my oven is absolutely brilliant. It doesn't smell and it cleans the oven up perfectly. I absolutely love this. It comes with plastic bags for you to clean the racks also, and if you do it overnight, there is minimal effort needed and your oven will thank you for it, and it will be sparkling. Now I'm going to tackle the inside and the base of my pans. Sometimes they can get some marks on them off the hob, and the inside of the pans can get marked, so I use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend, and it's safe to use on the inside of pans also, and it just helps keep my pans looking in pristine condition. As you're going to see now when I clean them up, they sparkle perfectly. You can use any Barkeeper's Friend. I just choose to use the Barkeeper's Friend stain remover, which is a dry powder. It's my favourite cleaner. It's one that, if you've been around on my channel for a while, you'll see that I use this specific cleaner an awful lot. It's my favourite cleaning product. I could actually clean my entire house with this. It's that versatile.
Give me one more time.
The easiest way to keep underneath your kitchen sink tidy is to use storage baskets. You may remember I used to have 6 baskets under there, and I've narrowed it down now to just 3 baskets, and that's plenty. In this basket I have all my usual daily cleaning products, which is a sponge cloth, glass cleaner, a multi-purpose cleaner, some floor cleaner, and then an antibacterial spray, bin liners and dog poo bags. In this bottom basket, this is a miscellaneous basket with some extra Barkeeper's Friend, some Josh sticks, some magic erasers, a bit of air freshener. I have a huge roll of bin bags, extra hand wash, and then that is my dish tray which has my dishwasher tablets in and washing up liquid. I have some fabric sprays and my sun cream, and that's it. I'm going to use a little tiny bit of method cleaner to just clear the counters off, because I think one of the main things to your kitchen looking nice and clean and tidy is the counters being clear. And I love how minimal and clear my counters are recently, apart from this orchid on the kitchen counter which isn't usually there, but this was a present from my brother from Ardeni, so I keep the orchid there and it looks absolutely lovely. It's lasted as well for quite a while. But other than that, I think having your counters clear gives the kitchen a very clean and tidy look. Use any type of storage solutions inside your cupboards and cabinets to keep it tidy. This really works, be it storage baskets or plate stands like this. I picked these up from HomeSense. It really does work to keep your kitchen cupboards all tidy and organised. As you can see, that is lovely and organised. Those baskets are £1 from Poundland. You really don't have to spend a lot of money on storage solutions. Poundland has so many great kitchen storage hacks. It's definitely worth a visit. This is a great cleaning tip. Use a pointed knife and put a microfiber cloth around the end of the knife, and it gets into the groove of your hob perfectly. If you have a hob like mine where it sits into the counter, there's a tiny little lip that runs around. This is just a great way of cleaning and making sure there's no food or debris there, and it's a way of being really hygienic. I then sprayed this with Dettol antibacterial all-in-one spray after I cleaned it, and it's come up absolutely lovely. You're guaranteed that you will forget to clean your fridge when you're cleaning your kitchen. If you're anything like me, then I don't do this every week. I do it once a fortnight, and I'll go through it and I'll check that everything is in date and all fine, and then I'll use a little bit of Method antibacterial spray and clean out the fridge. Although my fridge was clean, it had been done a few days previous, but I just wiped the lip on the bottom where we take the veg and the salad trays out of the bottom. Sometimes it can get a little bit grubby there, so I just give it a little wipe. But I've now started to do my fridge every fortnight, and it's a way of just keeping on top of it and making sure it stays nice and clean. This is that one job that I will never forget to do. That is, every time I've finished using the washing machine, to dry it out, dry around the rubbers on the door seal and dry inside the drawer where the detergent goes. This is where the sponge cloth has been a life changer for me. It may seem far-fetched, but try it. If you're like me and you like to take the washing machine apart and let it dry out so it doesn't get mouldy or black or anything like that, use a sponge cloth. It will drink the water off the door, out of the door seals and out of the drawer also. And then after I've rinsed the drawer through, I put it on the cloth and it just soaks all the water away perfectly. And that is the end of my kitchen cleaning tips and storage hacks. I really hope that you found it informative and it's given you some motivation or inspiration for how you want to have your kitchen. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and if you did enjoy it, I would love it if you could give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.